evening, depending on whatever time you're going to be watching this live. GM to my fellow community. How you guys doing? How's everybody doing? And yes, welcome to P4 Spire. Welcome to another live trading with me. Currently, I'm going to be running a live trading the MEA token and trading the MEA token against the USDT. So yeah, mm, so stay with me, guys, as we trade this token. So it's currently happening live. Welcome once again. And yeah, currently the market is kind of okay. Let me check the one day. I think the market is doing well. Okay. Mm, Still some. Okay. I just have to look at the market real quick. So yeah, we can see pretty movements in the market. Um, Structures are being broken and made again. So, but we're going to be looking at a lot of things today. But I think a strong support is being found here, so we're expecting to be bullish in no time. So I hope the market doesn't break this one. But aside that, I will just quickly have to share this link to my fellow enthusiasts like myself, traders, crypto traders, and Web3 enthusiasts like myself. And because that's what I always do in my live session. So if you're just stumbling on this live probably for the first time, welcome again, GM. I'm going to be trading the MEA token live now. So just stay put because actually I'm going to be sharing a lot of insight and a lot of nuggets of wisdom that's going to be shared in this live. And yes, so I'll be right back real quick, or just about a split of seconds. I'll be back. So thank you guys for waiting. Stay tuned. So yeah, guys, welcome back. I just did the sharing of links to the various comments and I am in. I hope they join the live. But if you're not So yeah, welcome back, guys. I'm currently in the TG, that's the Telegram of Mecca, and I wanted to show a thing or two, as how the community is and how organic it is, and the growth so far we've achieved in this community space, things that I've learned and I've did. But before I continue, a quick one. What I would love for those that are joining from the Mecca community, can you just share with us what you feel stand out most in the Mecca community? Having joined Mecca community, what do you think stand out the most? What future do you think stand out the most in the Mecca community, in the ecosystem, and that Mecca is trying to build? What do you think stands out the most? Okay. While you're answering that, while I stuck with the question, let's quickly head into uh, um, analysis of the day. So I'm going to just enter the call announcement group and see big announcement. Actually, I said earlier that the daily sprint was over, and now we're hoping for another sprint because actually, I've said it, this is another way for you to earn money, earn small incomes, smaller incomes, earn more income while participating to build the ecosystem. Because the people that are going to build this ecosystem is you and I. Maker has it. So Maker has the solution to a problem in the in the Web3 space, and we are going to help build this. You and I is going to test out this and see if the solutions actually works, because that's one beauty about projects, a project that's going to do well. So currently, let's read this. The rate is over a fourth. A biggest sprint on Zilly just dropped. Total reward. Okay, now the new sprint has started. Starts from zero. New quest bigger. Okay, so this new sprint started today. Um, okay, sorry, I just needed to check some. To everyone reading this, what our community is made of. Tag your friends, grab a spot on the leaderboard, and let's make history together. Who is ready to take up hash one? That's the top one in the leaderboard. Drop a below. Okay. I think the new sprint just started. That's the fourth sprint, just started today, being the 17th of November 2025. So if you have not joined, this is your opportunity to join. Here is the link. That's what you are missing out. I'm going to drop the link in my bio, in my description below, or the bio below. You can click on the link and join the live and join the sprint. So you'll be able to get. They already paid out the last one. If you look at it, already. Let me just share what he said. Great news for all rewards. All rewards for the Sprint S3 have officially been distributed. So it was distributed today. I think today. That's the 17th of November. And the new sprint has already kickstarted today. So yes, another way for you to earn. Because I like to build information that's going to help us earn and not to break the bank. Yeah, so uh, that's the announcement so far. I just wanted to show you the general chat, see how organic the messages here are. They say that these are not bots, but these are real people that are ready to grow the project, ready to grow and build good ecosystem. Please delete what? This is a bot. Let's the engagement here. What about people on the reward claim? Okay. How about the random winners? Was there a raffle, or how do the guys select 10 from their trust? So yeah, this is just organic people that helping build the Mecca ecosystem. So yes, I think I've showed you a little bit. There's a raffle selected outside the top 50. Okay. The energies, yes, somebody confessing. His name is Trent T. Yes, mate, the energy within the community is unmatched. Every interaction, ideas, and collaboration pushes Mecca closer to its full potential. Yes, and this is the good news. Another good news being shared by one of the members, and the future of Web3 engagement is being built right here. But I believe in connection, creativity, and the real value. I have no option than to like this, because actually the person is actually saying the truth and nothing but the truth. What is Mecca's biggest advantage over similar project on the Web3? I think I have to look at somebody. Somebody is obviously going to answer this question, and let's hope for a very okay. Yeah, this is another person, David Batoshi, sharing his insights on the Mecca. I really like the project is built on Solana, fast transaction plus last low fees equals to perfect for Web3 payment. I just shared this in the live solutions. Mecca has brought the solutions to a lot of problems in the Mecca, in the Web3 community, in the Web3 space, and that's a very good thing. And Wagman guys, anyone into Mecca Zilli? A play to earn model sounds promising. Can anyone share how rewards are distributed in the Mecca gaming platform? Okay, actually, Mecca has a gaming platform too. The Web2 plus NFT concept is unique. Will creators also be able to publish and earn through the marketplace? Mm, lovely. How about you? Are you enjoying the community? The Mecca token seems to have strong utility. Somebody is already confessing. Somebody is confessing as to uh, the observations he has had so far in the MEA token. And a lot of these I've shared in my live streams. If you have the time, you can go watch the live streams and in this channel and see for yourself what I've been saying about the project Mecca. So yeah, someone's sharing his observation and his quota and opinion, saying that the token seems to have a very strong utility across multiple platforms, and is there a roadmap showing future expansions? Okay, I think this question was actually answered in the white paper. If you have the time, you can just search on the Google for Mecca white paper if you need more clarification onto what the project future plans are and future for expansion are. Yeah, if the energy keeps up, Mecca future is going to be something special. So you have to keep this. Just have to like it. I am curious about Mecca Pay. Will it support offline merchant too, or only online payments at launch? The secular economics design is solid reward spend. Some of these questions were answered in the white paper, but if you can be able to be chance to read through the white paper, you can search this in the Google and it's going to bring the answers to you, because Mecca is already a well-established product. So yes, and Mecca help you experience the feature by revolutionizing the way we shop, game, and interact. With its Solana-based ecosystem, Mecca offers fast, transparent, and rewarding experience. I think I've said this before in my other live streams, and I've said it again today because I just love to share more insight about Project Mecca. So have more insight about the token we are trading, or the token you are holding, or the token you want to buy, or the token you're about to stake in your money in. So uh you don't have to cry at last, or you don't have or your heart isn't broken at the end. So yes, thank you for the information. I think this question was already answered. Okay, thanks, Tipudi. Check out the website. Like I said, a lot of these questions were answered in the website. Exactly. So we can go together and check out the website for ourselves. Probably let's get into Google. I'm going to pause this and let's check out Mecca website out. I like for us to see what we're about to get into, so you don't be like that you were not you're not properly informed before joining up. Okay, this is the website. Let's join from here. So yeah, another insight was shared about Mecca. Yeah, Mecca is a Solana-based blockchain initiative that unites shopping, gaming, webtoons, and payment into a single ecosystem. I think I've said this before. By leveraging the Mecca tokens, offers innovative, transparent, and efficient solutions for the digital economy. With fast transaction speed and low fees, Mecca makes digital experience seamless and rewarding. So Mecca has already found the problem and they have already preferred a solution. The solution is actually now so beneficial to a lot of us that are in this space. I think some of, as you saw in the Telegram, people are already sharing their testimonies as to how Mecca have been helpful to them. Some were also asking questions as to uh, help them utilize Mecca very well. Mecca has brought a solution to some little problems. So problems for those that are having issues, maybe slow transaction in doing their trade or probably in the ecosystem. So one thing is another beautiful thing about Mecca is that the ecosystem that has built. So you can connect, not only being in one ecosystem, not only being singular like split separate, but something like everything is all encompassing in one ecosystem, and you are using the MEA token to carry out all these transactions. So you don't have to start paying gas fee or trying to swap in from one token to another because you want to carry out some kind of transaction in ecosystem. All these things are now made so easier. Yes, so it's made so easier. And one thing you should notice is that you earn for participating in the ecosystem. You earn for participating in the ecosystem, like I said. You can see, like I showed you in the Telegram, people are already earning. They already distributed reward as at today morning, and I think people have gotten their Mecca enthusiasts and members have gotten theirs. Those that were able to carry out some do the tags and promote more, and they're being rewarded for participation and their engagement so far. You can see that, and I think the new sprint, as the fourth sprint, has already kick-started already. So if you have not joined and you missed out on the last or previous ones, this is another opportunity for you to join up on this one, so you're able to make some little incomes for yourself. And yeah, this is and not capping. This is not hype. Everything is on this space. The blueprints are on this space. You can check it for yourself on Google if you're having some doubts here and there. You can check Google. You can check in on the website. Currently, we're in the website now. Make our website. You can check in on X. You can check in on Telegram for you to say. And you can also come to the Telegram and ask the question that has been bothering in your mind. You can ask this question too. Currently, I don't know. I usually have network issues, so it's always difficult for me to open the white papers on the website because of the network, and I don't know what the problem is. Well, I think the next time I'm going to hope to have a better network so I'll be able to open it. Reward opportunities. Users can earn Mecca tokens through activities like gameplay, reward shopping, incentive, and contact payment, enhancing engagement. So I said it before, you get the chance to get rewarded for participating in the system, in the ecosystem, and carrying out activities. Blockchain based the app integrate. This is another solution that Mecca is planning to profile or offer as the future expansion. Somebody asked about future expansion in Telegram group. I think this is quite a very good answer to the question he asked about future expansion of Mecca. So it plans to develop blockchain based the app. If you are confused as to what the app is, it means decentralized applications, integrated platforms, and strategic partnership to scale up its ecosystem and grow its global impact. So, uh, and who is going to help Mecca achieve that is you and I. So do well to join the Telegram community. Let us grow together. Let us build. If you are confused as to how to get into the Telegram community, you can click on the link below in my description. Just click and join. If you're looking for ways to, if it's not working for you, you can go to your X, search on Mecca. Just search Mecca. It's going to come out. Mecca is verified, so Mecca underscore official has a blue tick behind it. So you click on it, you get into the Telegram, the Twitter space, and you can also see the Telegram link and the Twitter space in the bio on the Twitter. You can join the Twitter. You can join the Telegram via the bio on the Twitter. I think you can also join through the app. Yes, I should. You can be able to join through the app platforms. Okay, these are the platforms available here: payment solution, NFT, Web2 markets, gaming platforms, and a lot. The ecosystem, business ecosystem, decentralized application ecosystem, platform, games, and the likes. I'm trying to look for the link. Yeah, this is it. So just click on this, and voila, you've gotten into the Telegram group. So that's another way to get into the Telegram community if you are being confused as to how to join. So I just shared another one, so easier for you. Just go to the bio on X, click on the link, the website there, and you join directly. So let's go back. Sorry. And that's voila. So yeah, uh, so you can join the X from here, join the site, the Telegram, and also yes, that's all. And let's quickly head over to the trade that's been running to see what actually is happening in the market. I don't like to leave the trade running just on the background so I don't bore you guys. I just like to talk and share more insight about Mecca so you get to see. So probably let's go back to the trade and see how the market is currently doing. I left the trade actually as at yesterday and a buy, and the market is still kind of going in my favor and probably so at this point, sorry. Okay, let's head back to the market. So let's head back to the market. I'm waiting for the network to load up so we're able to see. This is a very right time for you to buy the market. Actually, for those that bought the dip when the market was actually in the downside, people that bought actually are actually smiling in profit now. I know a couple of my friends that bought this token when it was about 0.06. I think a couple of us knew when it was at 0.06. Now they're smiling because they are up about a handful percentage. So I think network has issue because they are up about a very handful percentage. Yeah, so it's still okay if you missed out at that opportunity. You can hop in at this point, and we hope for the token to do about 2x, 3x, probably before the end of December, hopefully, because I know that's going to do is looking at a token that has this much utility, meaning that it has the potentials of doing this, doing 2x. Now we're at 0.1, now at 0.1. So this market is going really well. It's going really well. So I don't want to close this trade anytime soon. See where I placed in the 1 hour. I placed the trade from this point, and I'm hoping it went here, but I wasn't able to eyeball it, so I missed out on this profit here. I missed out here. Uh, I kind of currently new to using BingX, so trying to explore the BingX app. Normally, I trade uh, with other apps, but that's why I'm finding it difficult to um, place my TP and stop loss. Well, if you have any insight as to how to do that, you can share with me because I want us to interact. I want us to share knowledge. You get me? But I'm sure I'm going. It's already, that's because I've not bothered to find the TP and the stop loss. I just prefer trading it just directly and eyeballing it and and stuff like that, just for the purpose of the trade or purpose of the live trade. So yes, but on my leisures, I trade the Mecca, the MEA token, and in another other platforms. So in that place, I have the opportunity to set up my TP and my SL. But at this point, This is another way of promoting the BingX community, and they also allowed me share the link in their community. So I have to use the app to trade my MEA token. So yes, that's the reason why. So some of you might be asking why I'm not setting my TP and my SL. I think that's enough reasons for you to understand why. I think I've shared enough reasons why I'm not doing that. So guys, I think I've come to the end of my live stream at this moment. I think I've said a lot about the MEA token, shared a lot of insights. At this point, I'm going to take a bow and leave the live stream. Let's keep building, guys. If you have any questions, always do well to drop them in the comment section, or you can also do well to share it in the Telegram community. For those of you that took the time to watch this live stream, thank you very much for watching. You're doing me a very huge favor. You don't know, but thank you very much, and I hope you learned a thing or two about the Mecca community. So glad to have you guys here. So glad to dive trade together with you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for staying with me up till this moment. I know honestly I don't like doing a very much long live stream, but I sometimes due to the things that I have to share, I just have to do it. Just, but I hope it was worth a while. Thank you very much, and I think at this point I'll be leaving the live trade, leaving the stream, but the trade is going to keep going. Probably in my next live, I'm going to share how the market went. So I share the losses and share the profit I made so far. Thank you guys for watching. Do have a great day. Peace out. Stay woke. Stay trading. Keep trading. And don't forget the aim of every profitable trader is to always make profit. Don't be scared of the losses you made so far because it happens in a trade. But make sure your profit outweighs your loss. Make sure your profit is more be above your loss. It's okay to make losses. It happens in every trading journey. There's no trader that will tell you that he has been making profits all through his life. Sometimes you make very huge losses. Sometimes you make huge profits. Sometimes you make huge losses, little profit. Sometimes you make huge profits, no loss, few losses. All those are the journeys a very profitable trader or someone who is looking to be profitable go through on a daily basis. But that's by the way. So guys, at this point I'm going to exit this live stream, and I will be back same time tomorrow. Do have a great day. Do have a nice day. And let's keep